Time now for night court taking place in the food court tonight. And Texas Pete hot sauce is facing a false advertising lawsuit because it's actually manufactured in North Carolina, don't you know? A California man who bought a bottle of the stuff last year says he would not have done so had he known it was not cooked up in Texas. So, of course, he sued. Let's bring in tonight's Legal Eagles, Nothing But the Truth podcast host David Bruno, and Independent Women's Forum senior legal fellow May Mailman. Thank you both for coming on. So, May, here's the deal, and I kind of read this in the intro, but so the guy buys hot sauce that he thinks is from Texas because it's called Texas Pete. It's from North Carolina, and he's in California at a Ralph's buying this thing, and he's like, this is BS, I'm going to sue. Your thoughts on this? Do you have a case?
So these are California courts, and multiple California courts have said that brand names can be misleading. So a court allowed a lawsuit against 5 Hour Energy to go through because their drinks don't give you 5 hours of energy. And another court allowed a claim against one-a-day gummy vitamins because you have to take 2 gummy vitamins. So Texas Pete could say, well, you know, you just got to read the back of the package. The back of the package says that I'm from North Carolina. But California courts have said that the back of the package can give you more information, but they can't give you the opposite information. So if the front of the package says Texas and the back of the package says not Texas, that's not going to go so well for Texas Pete.
Yeah, you know, David, I think it's one of those things where the lawyer comes out and he says that this company cheated. You know, they cheated because they were trying to use the Texas brand because everybody knows that Texas is its own kind of hot thing, right? It's called Tex-Mex for a reason. And listen, KC Masterpiece, the barbecue sauce, where is it made? In Kansas City. And why is this not? And that's their point. Is it a good one?
Well, look, since 1929, this product has been made in North Carolina, and the back of it clearly says where it's produced. You know, cases like this give lawyers a bad name, and it shows that anybody could sue. And look, May brings up some good examples, the 5 Hour energy drink, you know, but that doesn't go to the name here. I mean, it's not like this is a timing or things like that. And I think literally, like, who's going to make money on this? It's not the consumers. If anything, it's going to be the lawyers that makes the money.
Yeah, I know that's the truth. But, you know, the whole thing here, May, is that, come on, that the company is very open about the fact that this is made in North Carolina. Their website's very proud of North Carolina. The back of the bottle is very proud of it. And I want to put this up because this is from the lawsuit. And if there's a point, I think this might be it. The defendant, right, talking about Texas Pete's, concocted this false marketing and labeling scheme specifically because it knows the state of Texas enjoys a certain mysticism and appeal in the consumer marketplace and is known for its quality cuisine, spicy food, and hot sauce in particular. Plus, they used the Lone Star and they used a cowboy lassoing something or other. What do you think?
Well, so this case really reminds me of a very recent case against Icelandic Provisions yogurt. And despite the name, Icelandic Provisions is a New York company that makes yogurt in New York. In that case, actually, Icelandic won. But the court said, well, the cultures that you use for the yogurt are actually from Iceland. Here, nothing is from Texas. There's nothing Texas about Texas Pete. That just seems wrong.
But I want to listen to this guy, and then I'll get your final thoughts on this, David.
You've had it before.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's good sauce for you?
It's good.
Yeah. Where do you think this product is from?
Where do I think it's from?
Yeah.
What's called Texas Pete? It's from Texas.
Final thoughts, David, but if they ask me, I'd say, got to be from Texas, right? Probably everybody thinks got to be from Texas. Texas Pete? Makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, it's the name, absolutely. But look, like you said, the website is not misleading. The back of the bottle, not misleading. You actually read further on it as opposed to just asking, what do you think? They're going to find the real truth. It's North Carolina. I disagree. I'm with the Texas Pete here.
Got it. David, May, thank you both for attending Night Court. We appreciate it.
Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Trace.
Well, it's time for